All right, guys, check it out. I'm back again with the Wltoys 1840-16 brushless 1/18. All right, so I've done a lot of speed tests, all right, with or without these wheels. 69 kilometers an hour. 74.7 kilometers an hour. $87 kilometers an hour on my crappy old 3S battery. So now it's time for a 3S speed test with these fast wheels. Let's see how fast it goes. GPS set. Let's do it. All right, guys, let's do this. Take it up and come back down. I want to get 100. All right, coast is clear that way. Let's go. All right, let's do this. Lean into it. Yeah. Okay. Don't go on the grass. All right, I should do it. You know what? One more. Forget it. I'll push my luck here. Let's see what we got. Check out the max. 92.5 kilometers an hour. Not bad. All right, guys. I guess these wheels are faster. See you guys on the next video. Later.